Hello there. Welcome to class. I'm Miss Faust. Please make sure you have your paper available and a pen or pencil. You just might want to jot down today's assignment. You never know. But first, I want us to go back over reading strategies. We had questioning, summarizing, making predictions, and also making inferences, didn't we? Okay, so then, one moment. I got a book here. Can everyone see it? It's called Healing Foods, a practical guide to key foods for good health. Okay? Let's practice our reading strategies. Remember I said that those reading strategies don't just have to do with my classes, namely English classes, literature classes, and the writing classes. They are good for any class. Okay? You can use them in your civics class, your dance class, your biology class, your math classes, and down the road, if you decide to go to college or whatever, you might need them in your sociology course, you might need them in your physics class. Anytime, anywhere, they will come in handy. So please make sure you actually use them. Ask yourselves questions. Healing Foods, a practical guide to key foods for good health. So is that what this book is about? I'm practicing the reading strategies. Okay, at least one of them, questioning. Is that what this book is about? Foods that would be good for me. So if I want to be healthy, I need to go through this book. And look at that. They have some pictures of some healthy foods. Woo! Broccoli. Wow, that looks good. Parsley, I'm not so sure about it. What about you? You like parsley? But it's healthy. So is that what this book is about? I'm using that reading strategy, questioning. Okay? See what I mean? It comes in handy. This has nothing to do with my literature class, does it? Any of the classes. World Literature, 20th. For that matter, critical reading. But it does have something to do with critical reading because that's what we're here for. To learn those strategies so that when you tackle your readings, you think critically. You really tackle them. You really ask yourself questions. You try to summarize. What did I just read? What was this about? What is the point of this poem? What guesses can you make? In other words, what inferences can you make when you just see that? Just see Healing Foods, and you didn't see this, the subtitle, and you haven't had a chance to see that. So you're thinking Healing Foods. So you said to yourself, and you're making a guess, it's going to be about good foods that are going to be nutritious for me. Okay? Same thing with making predictions. I make the prediction that this book is going to be just full of yummy foods that are going to be good for the digestive system. Okay? We may say, I don't know. I'm not really a fan of broccoli and artichoke. Okay? But healing foods that are really good for your health. Does that make sense? So again, please use the strategies. I gave you 4. Making inferences. Making predictions or predicting. Questioning. Summarizing. Okay? Think about that. Now let's turn to our essay. I'm going to make a prediction. I know I'm going to be right. Unless something happened along the way. Today, you're done. That is it. You're going to take your draft and turn it into a final copy. You are done with the essay as of today. Does that make sense? Once you do the final copy, that essay is gone. Is that a true prediction? We'll see, won't we? After I give you the assignment, here we go. Here we go. After today. This is the day. We can say, I'm done with another essay. Okay. My prediction is also that we have paragraphs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed. And that we are ready to do this. To edit and revise. To check our spelling. Correct? Uh-huh. To check the punctuation. To go through our sentences. Are they really sentences? Or are they commas, places, run-ons, fragments? Or you're going, huh? What did I mean here? Okay, so yes, those punctuation marks that some of us might say, oh, I like just a period. That's it. Nothing else. There are times we need those other punctuation marks, correct? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So yes, please edit. So again, edit. Check your spelling. So for instance, if I went back here and there's some words, okay, there are some words here, and I would go through and go, let me check. It says it's because, okay, nothing wrong here, nothing wrong. Okay, I spelled that right. I got everything right. Yep. From each other, I'm going to use one. Yep, everything's spelled correctly. Oh, I don't need any punctuation except for the period. Got it. It is a sentence. Good. It makes sense. Okay, let's move on to the next. That's what you need to do. Check the spelling. Check the punctuation. Does it make sense? That moves you into revising. Does your essay make sense? Are you using transitions? Are you following the PA formula, especially in the conclusion? Do you have 3 questions that are not yes/no questions? Are you using evidence from the work? Okay? From Eugenia Collier's Marigolds. Are you putting quotation marks around the title Marigolds? Okay? Also part of editing, capitalization. Are you capitalizing what you need to capitalize? For instance, the I, if you ever need it. Okay? Miss Lottie's name, Elizabeth's. Okay? So that's what you need to do. I want you to do that first before you do the rest. Write the entire essay, which is due today. After you edit and revise, please write the final essay. Rewrite it from the draft to the final. Okay? Because you never know. You might be reading it and you're going, wait a minute, that makes no sense. It makes absolutely no sense. Again, your goal is to write the best essay that you possibly can. Okay? All right, so keep that in mind. So then, write the final copy today. So am I correct? As of today, you'll be done? You're going to be done? All right, good. But, please, before you send it off, that's this, and you have one more item after this. Add a title. A title that will grab my attention. I'm going looking at it and going, wow, I can't wait to read this. This is looking good. Please don't call it Marigolds or Flowers or Essay. Make it something catchy. Remember, it's the first hook. You're trying to hook the reader, the audience. Forget the part that, oh, Miss Faust, it's okay. She has to grade it. It won't matter. Pretend it's a reader. You don't know the reader. And you want to hook that reader because, if it says flowers, the reader might look at it and go, what? Oh, wow, that's great. It's about flowers. I wonder if it's about lilacs or daisies. Okay? So hook the reader. Remember, the point is to write as though, remember this, write as though the reader knows nothing. That's the point. So write as though the reader knows nothing. I don't know anything about this story. I have no idea who the characters are. Who's Miss Lottie? What Marigold? What? Who's Collier? I don't know Collier. Marigolds is the title? Elizabeth is one. Oh, I don't know. You have to explain that to me. Okay? All right. So, what's the assignment again, you ask? Thank you for asking. Write the entire essay. First, edit and revise. Make sure you add a title. Then, before you send that off to me, I want you to answer this very important question. If someone gave you a puppy, what would you name him or her? If someone gave you a little puppy, oh, look right here, little puppy, what name would you give him or her? Okay, please answer that. I'm curious to know. Okay, Again, this is the assignment for today, due today, along with this question. All right? So my prediction will be correct. Today you are done. Okay. Any questions? You know what to do, right? Send everything to me today. And I wish you a very fantastic day. Remember, reading strategies, comprehension/reading strategies. In other words, understanding/reading. You use the strategies to understand. Okay? Have a great day. Till next time. Bye-bye.